Hi, in front of me is Realme 7 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply live wallpaper called Shadow Galaxy. Firstly, open Play Store. Then, type Shadow Galaxy. And download this app from this developer. Open it. Click Settings and pick the options that you are interested in. When you're done, go back, tap Open and choose Set As. Decide if you want it to be on home screen or home screen and lock screen by tapping on one of the options. As you can see, my wallpaper has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!